Hello, amazing explorers of the universe. Welcome to your favorite channel, Let's Learn with Param. Today we're going to unravel a cosmic mystery that has puzzled scientists for ages. Black holes. But we're not just stopping there, oh no. We're going to delve into what would happen if one of these astronomical anomalies was destroyed. Intriguing, isn't it? Are you ready to dive into the mysterious world of black holes? Well, buckle up because here we go. First things first, what are black holes? Well, imagine if you had a massive star, much larger than our sun. This star is living its life, burning brightly, and then one day it runs out of fuel. What happens next is a powerful explosion known as a supernova. This explosion is so intense it causes the core of the star to collapse in on itself. The result? A black hole is born. Now you might be wondering, why is it called a black hole? The name comes from the fact that black holes are so strong that they trap everything that comes too close, including light. That's right, they're so powerful that even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can't escape their grasp. This makes black holes invisible, hence the name. But how do we know they exist if we can't see them? Great question. Scientists can detect black holes by observing the effect they have on the stars and gas around them. When a black hole pulls in nearby matter, it creates a kind of cosmic whirlpool known as an accretion disk. This disk heats up and emits X-rays which can be detected by our telescopes. Now let's talk about the gravitational pull of a black hole. It's so extreme that it warps and distorts the fabric of space-time around it. Have you ever seen a heavy ball placed on a stretched piece of fabric? The fabric bends around the ball, right? That's a bit like how a black hole bends space-time. It's also why if you were to get too close to a black hole, you'd be stretched out like a piece of spaghetti in a process scientists call spaghettification. But don't worry. The nearest black hole is over 1,000 light years away, so there's no risk of us turning into cosmic pasta anytime soon. So black holes are these super powerful space vacuums that nothing can escape from, not even light. They're a fascinating, yet mysterious part of our universe, constantly challenging and expanding our understanding of the cosmos. Now, here's a fun question. What would happen if a black hole was destroyed? Imagine you're holding a balloon filled with water and you suddenly pop it. The water inside would rush out in all directions, right? Picture a black hole in a similar way. It's like a balloon, but instead of water, it's filled with a massive amount of matter and energy. If a black hole were to be destroyed, all that matter and energy would have to go somewhere. So let's dive into the world of theoretical physics. If a black hole was somehow destroyed, it's likely that the event would release an enormous amount of energy. We're talking about a quantity so vast, it makes our sun look like a tiny firefly in comparison. This energy would then radiate across the universe at the speed of light, creating a display of cosmic fireworks that would outshine entire galaxies. But here's the kicker. Black holes, by their very nature, are incredibly stable. They're the ultimate hoarders of the universe, gobbling up everything that comes too close and not letting go. This makes the idea of destroying a black hole quite challenging. However, there's this thing called Hawking radiation, named after the famous physicist Stephen Hawking. He proposed that black holes could slowly lose energy over a very, very long time. We're talking about billions upon billions of years. This process is like a slow leak in a balloon, eventually leading to the black hole shrinking and finally disappearing. But again, this is just theoretical. There's also the possibility of a black hole collapsing into itself, forming a singularity or a point of infinite density. But what happens after that is still a mystery. Would it create a new universe? Would it rip a hole in the fabric of our reality? It's like a cosmic cliffhanger, we simply don't know. So, if a black hole was destroyed, it would be like the biggest cosmic fireworks show ever. But remember, this is just a theory. Scientists are still exploring these amazing cosmic phenomena. Wow, that was quite a space adventure, wasn't it? Let's quickly summarize what we learned today. We began our journey by understanding what black holes are. These mysterious entities are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. They are invisible to the naked eye, but scientists can detect them by the effects they have on the objects around them. We learned that black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars. When such a star has burned out its fuel, it collapses under its own weight, creating a black hole. Just like a hungry monster, a black hole can swallow stars, dust, and gas that come too close to it. Next, we embarked on an exciting thought experiment and asked ourselves, what would happen if a black hole was destroyed? We discovered that this is a tricky question because as per our current understanding of physics, black holes can't be destroyed in the conventional sense. But hypothetically, if a black hole were to be destroyed, it would release an enormous amount of energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs. This could have drastic effects on its surroundings, potentially causing destruction on a cosmic scale. But we also discussed that black holes play a crucial role in the universe. They help in the formation of galaxies and contribute to the balance of the universe. So, even though the idea of destroying a black hole might sound exciting, it's not something we would want to happen. Thank you, space explorers, for joining us today on this cosmic adventure. Remember, learning is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. So keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to continue this journey with us on Let's Learn with Param. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive. Before you go, let's take a moment to appreciate our journey today. We've dived into the enthralling depths of black holes and imagined the unimaginable, their destruction. If you've enjoyed this voyage into the cosmos, consider subscribing to Let's Learn with Param. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, and why not share it with your friends? Let's spread the wonder of learning. Thank you once again, and remember, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. See you in our next video.